Hey, what is up guys, my name is Marian, your technology friend. Today I am behind the camera again to unbox another iPhone 12. Today we are unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro in the Pacific Blue colorway. I was able to get a hold of this through my cousin Andrew Pineda, so shout out to him. And so without further ado, let's go unbox this iPhone 12 Pro. Before we go to the unboxing, I encourage you to subscribe if you like content like this, and if you like this video, please go ahead and click like. Now back to the unboxing. So in the previous video, we unboxed the iPhone 12 mini, and today we are unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro. I'm really curious how the size is gonna differ, because I really like the size of the iPhone 12 mini because I thought like this one is gonna be too big for me. But let's see in this video if it is. Just like before, I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the box. In the front, there is this iPhone 12 Pro in the blue color. Here on the side, we have the Apple logo in the Pacific Blue colorway. In here as well, the iPhone. It is not too apparent because the box is color black. In here again, the Apple logo, iPhone, and now we're back to the pull tab right here. So just like before, we pull this up to unbox the iPhone. So I hope you guys are ready. All right, here we go. That really never gets old. That is amazing, guys. All right, so we pull the plastic out of the frame, and to reveal the iPhone 12 box. Again, just like the iPhone 12 mini, or just like any iPhone in the past few years, the picture is embossed a little bit here on the side, so you can feel that. And when you open the box, it'll slowly open just like that. And here it is. This is the iPhone 12 Pro in the Pacific Blue color. Wow. Oh, that is beautiful. It is really, really nice. It has this really nice satin type of finish. It's really smooth. And I can't wait to pick it up. All right, here we go. Oh, this is quite hefty compared to the iPhone 12 mini, which I am actually video recording right now with that. So you will see the video quality of it in this video. But this is the iPhone 12 Pro, and this is, oof, this is a little bit of a heavy boy. Now, before we go to the phone, let's go through the accessories right here. So just like always, we have the USB-C to lightning cable right here. And we have our accessories, which includes SIM tool, paper, and of course the Apple sticker. All right, now on to the star of the show. This is the iPhone 12 Pro. Let's take a tour of its body. Right here, we have the 3 camera setup, including the lighter and the flash right there. Give a close-up look on how it looks like right here. Now, a lot of YouTubers don't like the sides because of its fingerprintiness, and just right away there are some fingerprints, but I cannot deny I really like the shininess of this. It has the jewelry type of feel. Unlike the regular iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 mini, it doesn't have that jewelry type of feel. All right, now let's remove this front protector to reveal the front glass. Here we go. Wow, there you go. Put this to the side. And here it is, guys. Here is the iPhone 12 Pro in the Pacific Blue colorway. If you've seen my other video ranking the iPhone 12 colors, I really love the space gray one. But looking at this in person, now I haven't seen the space gray yet, but this is beautiful as well. Here's the bottom. side, top. If you guys have any OG iPhone fans out there, the power button is no longer here. If you guys were missing in the last 6 years. Alright, this is the side again with the power button. And there it is. Very, very beautiful. Want to open it up? Oh, actually, let's not do that, I think, because that's gonna disrupt our camera when it turns white. I do have a MagSafe leather wallet in here, and it does have the MagSafe right here. There you go. So it sticks right there. Now this is not the original one because that is too expensive, but so there you go, guys. This has been the iPhone 12 Pro unboxing. If you like this video, click on subscribe and like the video as well. Follow me on all my social channels, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, @Mauyoni, and I'll talk to you guys there. Thank you, and have a great day.